In this video, I'm showcasing a short cinematic demo created using Minimax AI, and as you can see, the quality is amazing. The motions, realism, everything looks spot on. In this ad, there is an exciting feature available called Image-to-Video feature. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to generate stunning cinematic videos using Minimax AI. Let's dive right in. At first, visit the website link provided below. After visiting the website, you will have an interface like this. This website is Chinese website, so you have to translate the page into English to understand the texts. Now in the prompt box here, you can ask anything here and the AI will answer you. But today's main topic is AI video generation. To access that feature, you just have to click here, and then you will have a page like this. Here you can scroll down to explore some cinematic videos generated by the community, which can serve as inspiration for your creations. On the left side, you can see some options. To create your own video, you have to click on the Create button, and if you want to check your previous creations, you can click on that Mine button. It will show you all of our previous creations. Let's explore them one by one. At first, let's click on the Create button. The button will redirect you into a page like this. As you can see, there is two options. One is image to video and the second is text to video. On the image to video, you can upload an image and it will convert it into video. And on the text to video, you can give a prompt to the AI and it will generate a video following your prompt. At first, let's try the image to video feature. To use this feature, you have to upload an image and click on the Create button. Before that, make sure to log in into the website using your Google account. Logging in is very easy here. You can log in here by just clicking on this button. After logging in, you will have 1100 gems or whatever it is. You need them to generate videos. Per video costs 30 gems. Means with 1100 gems, you can create 36 videos. Now let me upload a picture by clicking here. After uploading, just give here a prompt according to the video you want. For example, I uploaded a cat photo and write a prompt. Then just click on Generate and it will show the result. It will take some time. After showing the result, just click on the video and right-click to download. There are two types of engine here. You can select any of them according to your generation. Let's move on to the next option. It is text to video. Here you can give any prompt and it will generate you a video according to your prompt. For example, I am giving a prompt here. After giving the prompt, just click on Generate button. And in a while, it will generate you the video. You can download the video by clicking on it and right-clicking, but it will have a watermark. Then next, move to the next feature called Mine. Here you can find all of your creations. You can download and check their prompt easily from here. Minimax AI offers plans starting at $10/month, going up to $100/month based on your usage. For free users, the platform provides daily credits, allowing you to explore and experiment without any cost. I also compared Minimax AI with other tools like Kling AI, Luma AI, and Renwei ML. The results? Minimax outperformed them in cinematic quality, character consistency, and realism, especially in text-to-video generation. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. The link to Minimax AI is in the description. See you in the next one.